Hi, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the Cozy Entertaining with Sweets and Treats collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, May's Design Corner, and me, Jennifer at Home. Today I'm going to be hosting a wonderful, fun Valentine party. Let me show you how I set up the table. I have gifts for my friends to take home with them, and I'm going to be making a wonderful, delicious cheesecake to have for dinner this evening to share with my friends. I have my table all set and ready for the party. I have pink and white napkins to match everything going on in the dining room. I have party gifts for my friends to take home after the party. These are the only ingredients we need to make a wonderful, delicious, beautiful cheesecake. I am so happy you're here. I had so much fun participating in this really fun collaboration. I would be so happy if you check out the other participating channels and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day.